we can figure out how far this will roll in one revolution like this by figuring out their circumference. And we can figure out the circumference by finding its diameter, which is, this one's about 9. So if we multiply that by 3, which is close to pi, this should roll 27 inches if it rolls one time through. So, and right, we're going to count this as staple as it. So we're going to start rolling, and we should stop around here. Can you show the 27 inch mark? Okay, ready? Come back to this. Let's line that up with the, one, okay. This is the part we're looking for when it comes back down again. And look how close we are. Look at the 27, Gavin.
Okay, you just keep
Pulling it.
rolling it. Now see if you...
Let's see if it stops right, almost exactly
It's 26.
26 and a half, so it's pretty close. Okay,
That's a good prediction, right?
all right. And if we're thinking about this being a gear, the front gear in a bike, and this being the back gear of a bike, every time this run around one time, it would be traveling 27 inches. How many times would this go around? So to find out that, you would just measure across. We have, let's call it
Okay, if you guys are using your computers over here, you need to
5.5 times 3, which I think is be 17.5. Let's figure out how that goes. 1,
There's crazy glare in here.
I forgot what I was looking for. This was 5.5. Okay, 17.5, right?
Yeah.
So when I roll this, I should stop at 17. Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
17.5. That was awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. And another way to think about circumference is this. We measure straight across. This is about 5.5. 5.5 times 3 is 17.5. And we're going to unroll it, and it should be about 17.5. It won't be exactly 17.5 because we have overlapped it a little just for the stapling. So let's measure how big she is. So once again, the diameter was 5.5. So its circumference
Should be...
17.5, 18. That's pretty good. Okay. So
Let's
if
try
this
the
one-
other one.
If this one was 9, so this would be 27, 28. Can we unroll it?
Should be... I'll do it straight, so...
Okay.
It is... Exactly on...
28?
It's exactly on 28.
So to find the circumference of something, all you have to do is find its diameter, going across, multiply it by 3, because pi is 3.14, blah, 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 blah. But if you're just trying to do an estimate in your head, just use 3. So basically, a circle is only going to be 3 times as, it's going to be a third of the distance across than it is when you undo it. So the ratio is 1 to 3.14.
Hey, you want to try that little one over there?
Oh, okay, let's do that. Okay, why don't you explain this one?
Okay.
Okay, so what's the diameter?
3...
There we go. Let's see.
Here, you shoot this. It's kind of...
So it's 3.
It's
The
3.
3. So what's the circumference going to be? What are you going to multiply it by?
3, I think?
Yes. Okay, so let's do this. And we could do it 2 ways. You want to roll this down?
Yeah.
Count that staple as one time. So roll it, and you should stop at 9
Well,
for one revolution. I think you slid it a bit, but
yeah, it's kind of hard with a paper.
it is hard to do that because it's...
Here, I'll hold it down. It usually just doesn't hold it down.
There you go. That's going to work better.
It's 8.
There you go,
8
but
1.
almost 9.
Yeah.
And then if we open it up, it should be 3 times 3. It should be 9. But we overlapped it kind of a bit too, though.
Yeah.
Oh, that's almost an inch. Because I know that the paper should be about 11. Okay. Multiply the diameter times 3, and you're going to get the circumference.